Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to make live photos loop, bounce and more on iPhone. Apple's live photos, introduced in 2015, are photos that capture in 1.5 seconds of video before and after you take a picture, with the aim of adding a little bit of life and movement to still images. Since introducing live photos, Apple has added some effects to its Photos app that let you turn them into fun animated clips, which you can then share with family, friends, or the wider world. There are 3 effects in total that you can try on your own live photos. Loop repeats the action in a continuous looping video. Bounce rewinds the action backward and forward. And long exposure simulates a DSLR like long exposure effect by blurring motion. So for this, open the Photos app and select a live photo. If you look under media types in the album section, you will find all of your live photos collated in a folder of the same name. With the live photo open, tap the live icon in the top left corner of the interface. From the drop down menu that appears, choose from live, loop, bounce, long exposure and off. The effect you choose will be applied immediately, ready for you to share your creation using the share icon in the bottom left corner of the screen, and you are done. I hope you find this video helpful to make live photos, loop, bounce and more on iPhone, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.